Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Miele washing machine with f53 error code. You will also get the f51 error code with similar issue on these units. As you can see, this is the Miele washing machine. The main problem here was the motor carbon brush. This carbon brush module causes the f53 and f51 error code, and I'll show you how it looks. You just pull it out and see the carbon brush supposed to look like this. On both sides there's one here, of course one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. This is okay, but this one is completely worn out, as you can see. In order to replace this, you have to have a lot of experience. You have to be a Miele certified technician to know this. If you're just a regular technician and you're not certified with Miele, or you're not certified Miele technician, you can still do it. I'm not saying it's impossible, you can still do it, but it's going to give you a very hard time and you would possibly give up on it. And after replacement of this, you may think that, well, I replaced this, now my problem is electrical wiring, or possibly you blame the control board because you don't know what you're doing here. Again, I'm sorry, I do not want to blame anyone that they don't know what they're doing. My advice is that do a proper diagnostic, proper installation of the part would not confuse you to go after control board or electrical wires or anything else. This is my experience with replacement of these modules. As a technician, I have done this mistake so many times, and now I'm in a stage that I had to find a solution for this. Find a solution for this to replace it in a proper professional way without making mistakes, to buy one of these cameras. I bought this camera from Amazon. I think it cost me about $150. It's so helpful that I'm gonna turn it on here. It also comes with there's a camera right here, and there's also one camera on the side, and it comes with the light on it. So the benefit of this one is when you're installing this part, let me turn on the light here. When you're installing this module, you will always make mistake. I'm not saying on the first try you're gonna install it successfully. If you're lucky and you have a lot of experience, yes. Even as a technician, I've been working on these units for so many years, I still make mistakes, and that's why I had to buy one of these cameras. So when you're installing this module, so of course you're gonna press your carbon brushes inside, just like that, and now it's ready to be installed. It goes in this position. It goes like that, and the part that you will not be able to see is this part right here, this side pin. These side pins, if you don't get them inserted properly inside of those holes, let me pull this out. You see the inside hole? If you do not insert these pins properly there, you will still have the same problem. You may, as a technician, you may think that this is your problem, or after replacement of this, you may jump over for control board or electrical issues, but in reality, this is the main problem, that you're not able to install it properly. So when you install this straight, those pins, they do not line up. See, when I push this in, it does not line up there. Let me use the flashlight. See, it has to, this pin has to get inserted inside, just like that. See, even with one hand I'm holding the camera and trying to adjust, so I cannot do it. So long story short, when you're there, it's going to be really challenging for you to figure out how the pins are going there, how well the pins are going to sit on top. That's the time when this comes in and work, and it's so important. See, I'm going to show you my face here. I'm going to show you my phone in my hand here. You can actually see everything. So what you can do is you have to insert this from here, hold it on the side. See where I'm holding it? It's almost like you're sticking your head inside there to see with your eyes what's happening. You leave it there or hold it with one hand, and then and here you can see it what's happening. The good part is you got this hand, you got this selector here. You see, you can actually turn the camera, the face of the camera, to show you the exact spot. I'm gonna take it down here. See the pins? You can see the pins lining up or not. You can actually bring it there. Look at it. And that way you can install this module properly. The good part is you can also stick this and drain hoses on dishwashers, on washing machines, to see if there's something stuck. You can use this in so many things. I don't know, I don't remember what kind of example I can give you on which appliances at this moment, but as far as I know, this is so helpful. It has a very bright light, and you can actually turn it. See, when I select this, see, choo 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 choo. You can do all kind of things with this. So it's very important to have proper tools and equipment when you're working on appliances. And if you want to know the model on this one, I think I paid around $150 on this. And it also comes with that little small cap that you can cover this, so that way you're not gonna break the camera glass if you're just having it somewhere like that. Here, you can actually stick this inside of the waterline hoses and see through inside and see if there's a piece of glass or something stuck in there. So today, the reason I'm making this video is that this Miele washing machine got f53 error code and f51 error code. When I open this unit apart, the moment you see all of these black debris and discoloration and your fingers get black like this, you already know that your carbon bushes are worn out. In my case, only one carbon bush was worn out. The another one was still okay. And I had another complete Miele motor with the module and everything. Looks in brand new shape, except the pulley is a little bit rusty. So I just pull it out from here. I'm gonna install it there, and that will fix the problem. Thank you, guys.